Daily English vocabulary words with their meanings. Useful for improving your vocabulary steadily. Daily vocabulary, Set 1. Abandon. Abandon. Meaning, to leave behind or give up something completely. Brisk. Brisk. Quick and energetic. Cautious. Cautious. Careful to avoid danger or mistakes. Dwell. Dwell. To live in a place or think about something for a long time. Eager. Eager. Excited or enthusiastic about something. Fragile. Fragile. Easily broken or damaged. Grumble. Grumble. To complain in low voice. Hinder. Hinder. To make it difficult for something to happen. Inevitable. Inevitable. Certain to happen, unavoidable. Jovial. Jovial. Cheerful and friendly.